Good morning. Morning everyone. So our today's lesson is about accounting equations and expanded accounting equation. So malapit na yung exam nyo. So tutulungan ko kayo kung paano ipasa ang exam. Okay? Accounting equation tayo. So we all know that accounting equation is about asset is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. And we also have expanded equation. So ano ba yon? So asset is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity plus revenue minus expense. Okay? So tandaan nyo lang yan. That is our accounting equation. Now we have a problem here. Problem natin is assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. We have ang unang given is that asset, wala daw, question mark, okay? Question mark. And the liabilities is 200 and equity is 300. So number 2 problem, is that 400 daw yung asset. Wala tayong liabilities and meron tayong equity. Next problem is we have 300 pesos asset. Liabilities natin is 100 and ano naman yung nahanap naman is equity. So wag kayong problema kapatid kasi iisa-isahin natin yan. So we have number 1. What is asset? Okay, meron tayo again 200 and 300. Ang gagawin nyo lang po dito, di ba, sa equation na to, the asset is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. So, i-add nyo lang to dalawa. Okay? Add nyo lang po yan. Okay? So, 200 plus 300. Okay? Plus 300. This one. 200 plus 300. We will get sa calculator 500. Right? 500. Okay? 500. Pesos. Don't forget the peso sign. Okay? Kung titingnan nyo sa ating next slide, we have ano ba yung asset again? Nahanap natin 200 plus 300, we have 500 and 500 and 500. Balance, di ba? Balance, nakuha natin. So, ang asset is 500. Okay? Lalagay na natin siya sa table. We have 500. Next question is ano naman yung liabilities? So we have to find what is the liabilities. Ito naman yung hinahanap natin. So ang asset is 400 and equity is 200. Anong gagawin natin? Okay? Ganito po siya. Since given yung asset na 400 and given yung equity na 200, we'll find the owner's equity. Okay? Diba? Ganito yung equation niya. So, ang unang mga gagawin, di ba sa math, is to transfer this to the other equation to find what is liabilities. Okay? So, yung question mark, it talks about ano yung hinahanap. Okay? Liabilities. Liabilities. So, yun ang hinahanap natin. Okay? 400 minus 200 is 200. And 200 pesos is equal to 200 pesos. Balance ba? So, ito yung liabilities natin. So, kung titingnan nyo sa table, is ganito siya. Diba? Pag in-add nyo lang yung 200 sa 200, we'll get 400. Okay? So, ito yung sagot. Okay? Kanina, sagot natin 500 kasi 200 plus 300. Now, hinanap natin is liabilities. So, 400 minus 200 is 200. Kasi, kung i-check natin 200 plus 200 is 400. Balance, di ba? Okay, balance. Now, what if hinahanap natin ang owner's equity? Ano ang gagawin natin? So, we have to, again, the equation again. Tandaan lang natin yung equation. So, we have 300 minus 100 is 200. Okay? So, yung 200, kung makuha natin itong 200, i-add lang natin ito na 200 plus 100, we'll get 300. Tama. So, balance. So, kung titingnan nyo again sa mga mathematician dyan, 300. 100 and question mark is the owner's equity. Hanapin natin yon. So to find it, i-deduct natin yung 100. 300 minus 100 is 200. Ano dapat yung equation sa kabila para magpantay? So we have 200. So 200 and 200. Balance, right? So we will get now the owner's equity, which is 200. Okay, that is 200. 200 plus 100 is 300. So nakuha na natin to 1 point, 1 point, and 1 point. Ganyan po ang magiging exam nyo. Okay, tandaan nyo lang po, ang dali lang po nito kasi i-add and minus lang po tayo. Okay.